In this video, we will learn how to add, manage, and log in users in Pixels First Retail Software. First of all, log in Pixels First Retail Software. Now click on Accounts from the main tab. Move to Users section and click on User List. Once you click on User List option, you will see this screen. If you want to create cashier user as an example. So let's enter data of this person as an employee and create a new user. Now for adding a new user, fill in these fields. If you want to save employee picture, then click on Browse button. Enter name, contact number, address. If you have swipe card number in your company, enter here. Otherwise, enter employee code here. Enter a suitable 4-digit password, which you will not forget. You will see different types of roles in this list. Select the role. Select joining date of employee. Enter short comments in the comments box. Enable web login for this user as it is, and also keep the username and password blank. This option is used when your retail system are linked with your website or e-commerce platform. Now click on Save button to save the data of employee. Employee saved successfully message will appear on screen. Congratulations, you have successfully added a new user in the Pixels First Retail Software. Now let's log in this new user. Choose new user's name, enter password, then click on Login button. On successful login, the user will see the following screen and can start using Pixels First Retail Software for trading and selling products. To log out and close application, click on red color power button on top right corner. Now let's learn how to assign different types of rights to a user. We'll use the example of a cashier user. To update rights of cashier, log in to the Pixels First Retail application as an administrator. Enter the password and log in. After logging in successfully, you will see this screen. Typically, cashiers are restricted from using the following functions: viewing or exporting sales reports, deleting sales or returns, updating quantity, accessing settings, backups, or user management. In Pixels First Retail Software by default, cashier has complete access except back office. Now click on Accounts on the top menu tab. Then move to User section and click on User List. You will see User List. From here, click on the user to whose rights you want to update. The data of the user will appear in the Rights section. Now click on Rights button. Once you click on Rights button, User Permission Manager screen will appear. On this screen, at the top row shows the main functions of Pixels First Retail Software. Now click on Cashier Functions. You will see now a screen with buttons in 4 different colors, each indicating a different level of access. Yellow indicates the currently selected button. Green, the user can perform functions marked with green. Peach, an admin or manager password is required to perform this function. Red, the user is not allowed to perform this function. From User Permission Manager screen, click one time on Item Discount button to apply manager password approval for providing discount. Click on the Sales Screen Functions button, then double-click on the Z Report, X Report, Change Quantity buttons, and Change Price. Their color will change to red, indicating that the cashier does not have permission to use these functions. Now, click the Close button at the top to save and exit the User Permissions screen. Congratulations! You have successfully updated user rights in Pixels First Retail Software. The next time the user logs in, the new permissions will be applied to their role. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.